This is so cool. This thing over here is so awesome. This brand sent it to me for this video. And I gotta say that, by the way, I have it plugged right here on a power bank. I don't even have it connected on my computer or the wall or like a power cable or something like that. Just connected right here on a power bank, so you can actually do it if you want. You can do it to the AC connector on the wall. You can do it on a computer the way that when you turn on your computer, it's turning on. It's actually really cool. You can see how nice this one is. By the way, I'm gonna turn off the lights in a little bit so you can see it better. But the thing is, it has a really long cable, so that is kind of like really good. So you can put it further from the computer or the USB-C port, the USB port actually, not USB-C port, USB-A. But then you can do a couple things. Like, for example, with this remote control, you can turn it on and off, and you can dim it if you want as well, which I think it is awesome. Let's actually turn off the lights now. Well, I have to say that this is really cool. I think I'm gonna put it back there with my other on-air neon sign and probably put it on the other side right there because it looks so cool. Really easy to use, super bright, really good colors. And if you're a gamer or you have your gaming office or your home office or you are a content creator, this one could be one of the good ones to add to your arsenal of neon lights and RGB lights as well. I love it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.